I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today is the day. We told you a couple weeks ago that Beth Ramsden designed a collab for J Dolls UK, Tammy Polly, and I for the Oscar red carpet. This has been a very fun, exciting, hard work, lots of stuff to do to get ready for this one. Guess who gets to vote? You. You get to choose which costume on our glamour dolls that you like the best. There will be a link in the description, but if you also go to Beth Ramsden's channel, well, we would like for you to go to all four first before you vote. But if you go to Beth Ramsden's channel, you'll get all of the details. This is my Jean doll. This is the outfit that I came up with. I wanted to use that pattern I had shown in the teaser, and I think it turned out all right. I like it. We were also to make bags and shoes. And so everything on my doll, because of the fabric and how my sewing machine absolutely hates it, was sewn by hand. The bag, the shoes, the shirt, everything. And I like it. I'm pretty pleased. Okay, for right now, while I decide what I want to do for this outfit, I think I'm going to start with the pants. I like the pants. I want the pants. But I think I'm going to update them to be more leggings. And take this pattern in a little bit. I probably have to sew it by hand, but I thought that would be a good start because then I can decide, do I want pants or not? I do want something different for my outfit, so I'm starting there. So I have her pinned, and I like it. I don't hate it. But I stopped because I don't love it. So I'm thinking about this. In the meantime, I made this little top. I do like it. It was a pattern I got off the internet. I like it very much. I like the cut. I don't like the way they said to do it. It took forever. What should have taken 20 to 30 minutes ended up taking well over an hour. But I do like it. I don't have snaps on yet. But I was wondering about making this top like this. I think not. And I don't mean this color. I mean, you know, the same top with this fabric. So what I did, this is the pattern I started with. And it isn't that I can't do that. I certainly can. I used to sew for myself. I've been sewing for myself and changing patterns since I was a kid. I just don't like, I don't know, these peaks. I didn't like it. And I didn't like the way the skirt came so forward and how it laid when it did. Like they have it looks like they have I don't know, wire in that or something to make it look like it is. And I wanted something red carpet-ish, and a lot of times they're making statements. So this is what I did. This is completely hand sewn. I don't like that belt either, how it stuck out. So I did mine with a snap. I want to carefully undo this. Haven't taken the photos yet. And then this snaps on. And I made leggings. I didn't use, oh, got that wrong. I did not use the pattern here because it was too baggy. And it wasn't just baggy in the legs. It was a whole, it just didn't look right. So what I did is I took the fabric, I made a tube, but it didn't lay right. So I went with the puff and the posh of red carpet. And she has very large breasts that need to be covered. Let me make sure I have this right. Nope, I don't. Anyway, she has very large breasts that need to be covered. So it needed to be wider than I was making. So I added the puff and the posh to it. And I like it. It turned out red carpet-ish. And this one needs to be pulled a little more. There we go. And then the belt on this, I didn't want, I don't know, I just didn't like that. And with this fabric being shiny, I did not want to add jewelry and such, or a big gold belt buckle or something like that. It would just take away from it. Sometimes less is more, and this is one of those times. So here she is. I love the back. I really like the back. She has a very arched back with a nice butt, the way that they're supposed to be. Obviously works out and rides a bike or hikes or something. And that's where we are so far, and I'm going to get her shoes done. The hardest part of my outfit was the easiest part of my outfit, or what would seem to be the easiest. I did not like the patterns for the top that went with, well, anything I looked at. I wanted more of a halter top, and this one appears a little thick when you first look at it, but because I wanted her breasts covered in a more glamorous way, I made the top a little thicker. I had one that I really liked. It was really sleek and sexy. Okay, it was sleazy, but I liked it. But it was not appropriate for the, or I didn't think it was appropriate for the red carpet. I also wanted to show you what the whole idea of this fabric that I like is the motion that it creates. And so I did a little fanning on it so you could see. Here is a group shot of the 4 dolls together that you'll be voting on. Please go to the link and leave your vote after you watch all 4 channels. I want to thank Beth especially for putting this all together. They have done, she and her husband have done a lot of work in editing and pulling this all together. And I really appreciate it. I also appreciate J Dolls UK and Tammy Polly. We all worked hard on this one. We pulled all the stops out and really hit it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching each channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.